Okay, this is John and Parita's channel, and we're on Cathay Pacific Airlines 901 from Hong Kong to Manila. So we're now arriving in Manila, and this is the view outside the plane on the headrest in front of me. And we're coming in for a landing at Ninoy International Airport in Manila. So hopefully we'll get a good vantage point for this landing, being right behind the nose gear of this aircraft, the brand new 350-1000 Cathay Pacific, brand new, their newest plane. So we were a little farther out than what I thought, but let's try to stick with this video. Alright, looks like that's our runway. Alright, we're down on the ground. We're in Manila. So hit the like and subscribe. John and Parita Perez's Philippines Adventures. Alright, God bless y'all. We love y'all. I'm here to get my wife and bring her to America. We love y'all. God bless.